Hey guys, welcome to another amazing episode of unboxing, setting up, and testing kayaks with Alice. Today we got this kayak from Amazon Valwix. They sent this kayak to me for review purposes, and I'll be happy to show you guys what's in the box, how to set it up, and we're gonna take it on the water. We're gonna catch a fish, and actually we're gonna feed our family with this thing and start opening this box because I want to see what's inside. I want to see why this one it's a little more money than the other one that I bought last year. Watch this. You got the pump right here. You could use your feet or you could just hand it. Wow, that's a lot of power. The paddle is a little flimsy. Like, again, but this is not too much money. If you're gonna use one of these things for a long time, I recommend getting a normal paddle from Walmart, like a $20 paddle. Probably gonna be better than this. Voila! Very important. This will prevent you from like going all around. It's gonna keep you going straight. Especially on an inflatable, that is a must. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. See what's in here. Got the seat and we got a bag. I like that they include the bag because this bag, I mean, you can throw the pump in there. Let's unroll this thing. I'm trying to see why this will be more money than the other one. We could see here you could put oars in this. I think that paddle you could use it like an oar instead of a paddle. Has more attachment points right here, like it's built better, I would say. If we go under it, you have dual fins. That's another design feature. It's gonna keep it going straighter. You have like a lot of attachment points on this thing. That's cool. Let's go ahead and inflate it and see what's up. Oh no, this one is maybe even a little bigger than the other one. Look at that, the inflating measuring thing is right here. It's inside. So inflate it, we're just gonna close this bulb right here. I'm gonna start doing the walls first and then move to the rest of the boat. Looks like it only has one there. I'm gonna open right here, and this is the one that should fit in there. 1, 2, and let's start pumping. Dude, this thing is easy to do, but I'm tired because I worked all day and I don't have time to do this because look, it's gonna rain now. So I'm gonna take this over here to my truck and I'm gonna use this full air inflator thingy and I'm gonna watch it, make sure I don't overinflate. If you're doing this with an electric thing, it's not recommended. Just pay attention to what you're doing if you decide to do it. I'm gonna put a link to this one down below. You could inflate paddle boards and other stuff with this thing. All right guys, this line cannot pass from here. Done. All right, yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good, guys. So we got it. This is how it looks inside. Look over there. So right here we got the Valwix Safari one-person kayak. This little tiny boat only weighs 20 pounds, which makes it super portable. And guess what? It's like 9 feet long. So you could store this inflated pretty much anywhere. If you have a balcony, even on the bed of your truck. If you have a truck, you stay overnight if you want to. It comes with this nice inflatable seat that I have actually used those seats before on other kayaks, like a second person seat. And what I like about this little boat is how easy it is to set up. In under 5 minutes, you could be underwater. And you don't have to deflate it because this thing is PVC, man. This is PVC. Now, some people, Alfred, don't like PVC, but for this is pretty cool stuff. Now, I like here what they did with this thing right here. You could have a little dog in the front. Now, I took this boat on the water the other day. I went fishing for kuda. You're gonna see that part. It's gonna be here in this video. And we caught some nice kuda, and I was able to paddle this thing on thick grass, and it felt really good on the water. I felt connected to the water. It's like it kind of grabs you once you're inside. If you're a super big guy, this may not work for you. I think it only holds 220 pounds. But if you're a normal person, it's gonna work for you 100%. This boat is about 32 inches wide and it's a seat inside kayak. It's not like the other one from Valwix that we made a video on that is a seat on top. This is a seat inside. So water could actually go in there and technically bring you under, but it won't because the thing is a pure air. It's just gonna keep you afloat. It has multiple air chambers, like you have one here that is for the top, then inside the boat you got one on each of the gunnels, which makes it like if something happens you have a lot of, like let's say you get one of those deflated, you still have a lot of flotation, and you should be wearing a PFD when you're on the water anyways. So now let me go ahead and flip this boat over to talk more about it. Like right here, you see you put dual fins here, and you know what we're gonna do, we're gonna put dual bisbee on this boat 100%. And right here you got this little thing, if a lot of water get inside the boat you could like drain it with this. And I like this setup right here, you don't have to be like pulling the boat over, you could just drain it like that. And look at this right here, maybe you want to tie this up to your big boat, or maybe you go to a little island and you want to attach it, secure it while it's on the water, you could do that. It's a pretty cool design. It does cost a little bit of money, more than others, but it's well built and it's a nice looking design right there. It's so windy right now. It wasn't supposed to be this windy, but hey, it's Florida, and you know what happens when you trust the weather lady. I mean, the weather guy, not the lady. We're paddling out, guys. Kind of shoppy here. I want to catch a fish. I had like one break off, 2 blowout. That's 3 times, 3 tries that we could have caught a fish. Oh. What do we have here, guys? Yakatat. And then for the win, Valwix, inflatable kayak, single person for the win, gulp for the win. This fish took a lot of tries, man, but it's here. All right, so okay, easy, easy, you don't want to lose my net. All right, so this is 0 right here. This is legal. This is a 17-inch cuda. It's going home, mission accomplished. It took a few tries, guys, but we did it. We caught the cuda, we caught dinner, my mom will be happy, and the boat performed just like I thought it was gonna perform. Like if you're gonna be doing fishing like this, or you're gonna stay relatively close to the shoreline, take this boat with you. You shouldn't have any problems. This boat even goes over grass, like thick grass, man. Story time, guys. This morning I took my talents to Walmart. I was searching for one thing and one thing only. I go, if I want to catch a cuda fast and only have like 30 minutes to do it, 6:46 on a Tuesday here in Miami today, I need gulp. So I was looking for gulp shrimp, chartreuse tail, wide body, and I went over to Walmart, and guess what, guys, I didn't find it, but you know what I found? $7 pack of gulp. I'm serious, this is kind of like, this is like highway robbery. Basically you're paying $7 for a count of 4 that used to be like not even $5 before, right? You're basically paying $7 for something that used to cost a maximum $5. A count of 4 little bait that you're gonna lose in a matter of 30 seconds if you're fighting cudas, like it happened today, right? 30 seconds, you will lose that bait. And this thing was $7 on Walmart today.